Right, children. So now we come to application based question. The question was, write a letter to the editor of a reputed newspaper expressing your concerns about child labor. So obviously, since The Chimney Sweeper is a poem that dealt with child labor, this application question is integrated with that. So, the moment you understand that it is write a letter to the editor of a reputed newspaper, you quickly understand that the letter will be a formal letter. And in the question paper also, it was mentioned that the format of marking will be format 3, content 2, and expression 5. So, it was absolutely clear that it would be a formal. Now, coming to this, the first address. This is your address. 1/234 Viram Khand. Look at the comma. Then Gomti Nagar, comma, Lucknow. Now the entire uh, address has ended. So it is now Lucknow full stop. After that, I have left a line. And now I have started with the date. See, 1st December, ST is touching the bottom line, December, comma, 2020, full stop. It is because we were writing the letter on the 1st of December. Thereafter, when I come to addressing the person to whom I am writing the letter, the editor, comma, a reputed newspaper, The Times of India, 20 Ashok Mark, Hazratganj, comma, now my entire address is being completed, Lucknow, full stop. I have left a line and then the salutation, Dear Sir with a capital S, comma. Then I have written the entire letter. See, the first paragraph, it starts, the indent is from here and it starts, through the column of your esteemed daily, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities and the common masses towards the social evil with child labor. Childhood is the best period of one's life, yet it is unfortunate to note that despite the ban on child labor, the practice is still prevalent in our society. So, the first paragraph tells the editor that this is what I am going to expect in the rest of the letter. Now, in the rest of the letter, the second paragraph, as I had told you, will speak in detail that what made you write this letter. Is there something that you've seen? Is there something that was not to your liking? What is it in detail that you wish to speak to the editor about? It says that it is a common sight to see children working in hotels, factories, fields, farms, vending on the street, as well as working as domestic helps. Illiteracy, mass ignorance, unemployment of the adults, poverty, deep social prejudices are collectively the root cause of child labor. Such a childhood leaves a deep scar on a person's physical and mental well being. So, this is basically your concern. So, you have seen that this is where the children are working, and why are you not comfortable with it? Because you know that such a childhood without joy leaves a deep scar on the person's physical and mental well being. It is unfortunate that after 73 years of Indian independence, the number of child laborers is around a staggering 15 million. Now, no more of this. You are simply going to finish off. It is my humble request to the concerned authorities to implement the government laws effectively, because the government does have laws. Employers of children should be taken to task, that is, they should be punished if they are not abiding by the government rules and laws. And poverty eradication measures such as providing employment to parents or guardians should be aimed at, Because if the parents or guardians, they have the money, then obviously they will not force their children to work. The media needs to awaken public interest in the matter. Thanking you. After that, you are writing yours faithfully. Look at the Y and the F, comma. Then you are signing your name, and finally, in a legible manner, you are also writing your name followed by a full stop. All right. So that is your application based question, which carried 10 marks.